principles and the best practices to safeguard sensitive information. Importance of data privacy in a cybersecurity. Data privacy is an essential component of a cybersecurity. Data breaches can have serious consequences, including financial losses, reputational damage, and legal penalties. First, data protection laws. Compliance with regulation like GDPR and CCPA is crucial for organizations that handle personal data. Data privacy certification demonstrate adherence to these regulations. Second, cybersecurity risk mitigation. Stronger data privacy practices minimize the risk of data breaches and reduce the impact of potential attacks. Data privacy certifications indicate a commitment to security-based practices. Third, building a trust. Customers and stakeholders have increased trust in organizations that prioritize data privacy. Data privacy certifications reassures them that their information is being protected. Top data privacy certifications for 2024. Several reputable organizations offer data privacy certifications that are highly valued by employers. CIPP for US, Certified Information Privacy Professional for United States. CIPT, Certified Information Privacy Technologist. CDPAC, Certified Data Privacy Solutions Engineer. CIPM, Certified Information Privacy Manager. CIPP for US, Certified Information Privacy Professional for United States. The CIPP for US certification is a comprehensive credential that covers the legal and practical aspects of data privacy in the United States. Focus areas: first, US privacy laws and regulations; second, data security and breach notification; third, privacy compliance frameworks; fourth, ethical consideration in a data privacy. Benefits: demonstrates expertise in a US data privacy, enhances career opportunity in a privacy roles, provides a competitive edge in the job market, improves understanding of data protection principles. CIPT, Certified Information Privacy Technologist. The CIPT certification is designed for IT professionals who want to specialize in a data privacy technologies. First, technology focus. This certification focuses on the technical aspects of data privacy, including data security, encryption, and privacy enhancing technologies. Second, practical skills. CIPT holds possesses the practical skills needed to implement and manage data privacy solutions in organization. Third, industry recognition. The CIPT certification is required by employers worldwide as a valuable credential for IT professionals. CDPC, Certified Data Privacy Solutions Engineer. The CDPAC certification is for professionals who design, implement, and manage data privacy solutions. Focus: data privacy architecture, data privacy technologies, data privacy compliance. Benefits: expertise in data privacy engineering, enhance problem-solving skills, improve career advancements opportunities. CIPM, Certified Information Privacy Manager. The CIPM certification is suitable for professionals who manage data privacy programs within organizations. Leadership: CIPM holders are equipped to lead data privacy initiatives and manage privacy teams. Strategy planning. The CIPM certification emphasizes the development and implementation of data privacy strategies. Compliance: CIPM holders have a deep understanding of data privacy regulations and compliance frameworks. Factors to consider why choosing a data privacy certification. Choosing the right data privacy certification depends on your career goals, experience, and areas of expertise. First, career goals. What specific roles or areas of data privacy do you aspire to pursue? Second, current skills. Consider your existing knowledge and experience in data privacy security and technology. Third, industry focus. Does the certification align with the specific industry or the sector you work in or want to work in? Fourth, certification body. Research the reputation and credibility of the organization offering the certification. Conclusion: enhancing the cybersecurity with a data privacy expertise. Data privacy certification are essential for cybersecurity professionals seeking to advance their careers and controllers to secure a digital environment. Strengthening cybersecurity. Data privacy expertise enhances overall cybersecurity posture and reduces the risk of data breaches. Career advancement. Data privacy certification open doors to specialized roles and leadership positions with the cybersecurity field. Thank you.